Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day of surrender. I have finally given in and got myself the DYSON Airwrap multi-styler. I've been thinking about this for so many months and I've finally decided to give it a go. Here's to hoping that I made the right decision. I used to think DYSON Airwrap is heavy just by looking at the videos I've seen before I purchased this, but it's not, and I'm quite happy about it. The variant I have is in Persian blue with rich copper accents, and it has 6 attachments plus a cleaning brush. Quickly going through the 6 attachments, first is the smoothing dryer, a 2-in-1 attachment to dry damp hair and smooth finished styles. Second is the firm smoothing brush for straightening coarse hair. Third is the soft smoothing brush for finer hair types. And number 4 would be round volumizing brush, which adds body and shape to the hair as it dries. Fifth is the 1.6-inch Airwrap long barrel to create loose and bouncy wavy curls. Sixth is the 1.2-inch Airwrap, which creates voluminous curls and waves. And number 7 would be, this set actually comes with a filter cleaner brush. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is flip this end part and put this cleaning brush and rotate it as many as you needed it to be. Now let's go try it for the very first time. I have a thick coarse hair and I'm not quite sure yet what I'm doing here at first. The warm air coming out is quite bothersome in my eyes, but I feel like I would get used to it over time. One thing I was quite disappointed about this tool, considering its hefty price tag, is that it actually doesn't come with a universal voltage. According to their website and some forums that I've read, DYSON Airwrap has this voltage exclusivity, which means that it will only follow your country's voltage. In my case, since I'm from the Philippines, it's 220V, which is why I wasn't able to use it while I was traveling in Japan, as Japan's voltage is 110V. I can probably buy a converter or a transformer, but it's not very travel friendly. And I read that they have not tested it to be converted, so it may actually damage your tool if you choose to do that. You can, however, use this tool in countries with a similar voltage to the country where you purchase it from. After a couple of tries, I'm not quite happy with the results, so I finally decided to just do it properly this time and split my hair into, thin sections, and I feel like I am getting more results by doing this. And after using it for 15 minutes, I feel like I am getting the hang of it, and I'm really liking how my hair looks like now. It has a bouncy feels, and I'm not quite sure yet if this is worth it. I feel like I have to test it for a few more months and see if I am really using it every day, because it has to be considered considering the price tag, right? But if you ask me if it has solved my issue with having flat hair, definitely it did. As a first timer, I feel like I'm doing an okay job. I see some waves in my hair, and as you can see, my hair has more life now, and I'm really loving it. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know your thoughts about it, and please do let me know too if you want me to create an updated video after using this for a few more months. I also hope that you find this video helpful in any way, and if you do, please do subscribe and hit the like button, please. Thank you and have a good day.